Right, good morning, welcome back. Okay, Harley Davidson docking kit installation. What does that mean? Ever so straightforward. If you're going to get a clip-on backrest or rack or both, then you'll be told by the dealer when you buy them what you also need is a docking kit. The docking kit is simply some hardware permanently bolted to the bike to provide some unobtrusive, almost unnoticeable little mount pegs that you can clip your rack and backrest onto, and they stay on the bike permanently. The bike's frame is already drilled and tapped, ready to bolt these onto, and they are supplied by the dealer. Problem is with these things, they don't come with the instructions, and at the same time there are no instructions in your service manual because they're accessories, and your service manual's not bothered with that. So you're left to book it in with the dealer, and that can be expensive. But seriously, this docking kit for the Street Glide, it's 4 bolts and 10 minutes. It's that easy. You don't need to be paying the dealer for labour to fit a docking kit. Let's show you how it's done. Right. First job, take the bags off. Next, remove these 2 blanking bolts on the side of the rear strut. Then withdraw the little blanking strip that you see sitting down in a slot on top of the strut. It just comes out with your fingers. And take your docking plate and drop it down into that slot, and you'll see that the 2 bolt holes line up with the 2 threads inside the strut. Right, then pop the bolts in with a little dab of blue thread lock and torque them up between 16 and 20 foot-pounds. Right, that's the right hand side done. Let's do the other. Okay, look after your old hardware, take care of it, make sure it's somewhere you can find it because you know what it costs if you need to replace it. Now also, you only need to remove the bags here in order to fit the docking kit. Once you've done that, you can forget about it and leave them in place, and these backrests and racks, they'll come on and off all day long without touching the bags. Now, just one more thing, do make checking those bolts a part of your regime when it comes to your big service. And you do a 10K service, they'll do a critical fasteners check. That's part of it, it's in your service manual. Service manuals, as I said at the beginning, don't account for accessories. So make sure that you check those 4 bolts as part of that, because Harley Davidson's vibrate and critical fastener checks are life-saving, especially when it comes to the security of your pillion. There is no more valuable cargo. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Take it easy, ride safe, and we'll see you next time.